All right, guys, so now here we're just gonna go through a quick breakdown of what this machine can do and its different modes. It has two modes. You got your MMA stick and your lift TIG. And you use this button right here to toggle between the two, as you can see. And then here you got your lift TIG. Once you get to your lift TIG, as you can see here with the dial, this you can adjust your thickness of material. And as you adjust the thickness of the material, your amperage will also be adjusted. So it truly is a very just plug in and play type of machine, which is great for beginners and for experts as well. And then now here you got your stick, and you got 4 features for your stick. So you're gonna click mode once you're in your MMA, and then you got your hot start. And once you go to your hot start with this knob, same thing, you're gonna adjust either all the way to 10 or to 0. And you can play with around where you need to go with this knob right here. Then you're gonna do the same thing for your anti-stick. You can have it off or on with the flip of this switch right here. Then you're gonna go to your arc force. It's gonna be the same thing, from 0 all the way to 10. And you play around as needed. And then you have your VRD, same thing, on, off with this switch. So it truly is a very quick machine that you can just open, get out of the package, and just start welding. It's very easy, and it's probably one of the best machines out there to get started. All right, guys, so now I'm just gonna show you a quick demonstration of what these machines are capable of. So I'm just gonna do a quick run through of just a quick stick weld with the ARC 200, and you guys will see what the end result will be. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, the first one would have been perfect. Okay. All right, last one, and then we can move on. Okay, it's definitely a lot better. Some more continuous speed. Yeah.